circle shape and then put it on. So the first ear should look like this. Once you have the ears, go ahead and get a white Play-Doh, roll it out, and make eyes. It should look like this. The next step is get out the black Play-Doh again. Cut out a butterfly shape. So the next step is to put it on your Batman and make points on each of the edge. And it should look like that. And the next step is cut out a line. A rectangle. Get it off. And stick it on to him. It should look like this. And now you're finished with Batman. Hope you enjoy.